Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, January 4th. It'll be a gusty day here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Winds will gust up to 30 miles per hour or so as another cold, dry air mass has kind of moved into the Mid-Atlantic region. We'll stay cold and dry right through tomorrow. Lots of clouds around today. There's a kind of a widespread area of low clouds we'll see in the satellite loop in a moment in the Mid-Atlantic region. Especially from the Mason-Dixon line on north and east, it'll be a relatively cloudy day, maybe increasing sunshine as we progress through the afternoon, but again with those wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour or so. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Strong high pressure situated over the south central part of the country, and really it's dominating the weather scene from coast to coast here. There's clear skies almost this entire region, as we'll see on the satellite loop in a moment. There is some precipitation basically confined to the state of Texas, with some rain on the southeastern side of that state and some snow upstate in the western and northern part of the state of Texas. But for the most part, it's a dry morning across much of the nation. Now, the isobars here over the Great Lakes are rather tight, and sure enough, there's a stiff westerly wind here blowing across the lakes. All of this will translate to the mid-Atlantic coast over the next couple of hours, and again we'll have some stiff winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour or so later this morning and throughout the afternoon here in the mid-Atlantic region. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Again, a lot of low clouds here in the mid-Atlantic, especially from the Pennsylvania-Maryland border on north and east. Certainly be a cloudy morning, maybe some sunny intervals later on in the day across Philadelphia and New York City. Basically partly sunny across the Washington, D.C. area. And clear skies from the Carolinas all the way into the middle part of the country, all the way to the west coast, with really the only batch of clouds and precipitation right now across Texas, with snow upstate and rain and thunderstorms on the southeastern side in the state of Texas. And here's that nationwide look at the radar. A few snow showers upstate here in central Pennsylvania. I don't expect anything to make it southeast of the mountains to the I-95 corridor. There certainly can be some snow showers for the rest of today upstate in the central and northern part of Pennsylvania. Here across Texas, again, some rain and thunderstorms here in the southeast side, and some snow in the panhandle of Texas. Well, let's take a look at the situation as we progress towards late Saturday night and Sunday. This is the upper level chart, 500 millibars in the middle part of the atmosphere for Sunday morning from last night's 0Z NAM model run. And again, we pointed this out the other day, quite a healthy shortwave here in the upper part of the atmosphere. That's why I'm still thinking there can be some snow shower activity late Saturday night and Sunday, especially from the Pennsylvania-Maryland border on north and east. Quite a healthy looking shortwave trough here coming through on the day on Sunday. Well, how does that translate down to the surface? This is actually the forecast map for Saturday evening. A little bit of an area of moisture here out over the Ohio Valley, and another one out of the Gulf states. This ultimately results in low pressure off to the south and east, and then also low pressure here over the Great Lakes. Let's jump ahead now to Sunday morning. And here's the forecast map for Sunday morning. Low pressure sitting here over the Great Lakes with kind of a wide area of light snow. It's nothing too serious, but again, there can be a couple of snow showers, especially from Philadelphia north and east and New York City region late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and there certainly can be a snow shower or two late Sunday and Sunday night as well. The heaviest moisture stays off to our south and east, pulls out off the southeast coast, but that upper level low will translate into a surface low over the Great Lakes early Sunday, so there can be a couple of snow showers to deal with. Nothing serious though, and once that pulls out, moderation in temperatures is definitely in store for the eastern states for much of next week, and we'll have more on that later. That's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.